Hi guys, I hope this finds you well. Today we are in Kitengela. Actually, we are in Riverine Estate Kitengela. This is a development by Zamara Retirement Fund. The reason we are here is because most of you want to know more about Riverine Estate and its opulence. So today I have been joined by one of the members of the management team to explain to us all the details of this estate and tell us how you can get hold on one of the units. So I'm going to invite one of the members of Riverine Estate to tell us more about the estate and everything that you need to have for you to get or to purchase a unit in this estate. So, welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, Madam Doreen, have a seat.
Karibu sana Riverine.
Tell us about Riverine.
Okay, Riverine is a lifestyle development project.
Okay.
Which commenced the year 2014, December, and completed 2018, August, by the Zamara Fanaka Retirement Fund. It's a gated community comprising of 151 townhouses, which are fully detached, and 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartments, which are 60 units, and each block has 12 units.
That's nice. Let's have a tour of this 3-bedroom apartment. Kindly follow me. Before we start, we must sanitize. From the look of things, it's an open floor plan. I can see the dining set over here, I can see the kitchen over here, and I can see the living room over there. We will start from the kitchen because this is where I like most. And from here, you can see you have a single sink with normal water and purified water. You also have a space here for your cooking stove. Up here you have upwards and downwards cabinet for your utensils. You also have numerous number of sockets over here for your kitchen appliances. Just in front of me over here you have a space for your fridge, and it's a big space. You can fit a double door fridge. On my right hand side you have this door that leads to the laundry area. Adjacent to the kitchen over here, you have the dining room area. And you have this beautiful light just to make sure you are well lit while you are having your meals. This is a 4-seater dining set, but the space is wide enough from there up to here to fix a 6-seater or an 8-seater dining set. Just in front of me over here, you have the living room. And you can see it's wide enough to fit a 3-seater over here, a 2-seater over there, and another seat over here if you have a bigger family. Also, it's wide enough because if you can check over here, the couch does not touch the wall. And you also have a bigger space over there. In front of me, you have the TV area. And this is a wide space for you to put your 55 or a 65-inch TV. You also have this painting that you can put on any of these walls. Beautiful flower. The best thing about this 3-bedroom apartment is that you have a big opening over here that gives a very good view to the rest of the estate. Let's have a look. Just follow me. It's really beautiful out here, and the breeze is fulfilling. So Doreen,
Yes.
tell us more about the townhouses and the apartments. How many townhouses are remaining and how many apartments are remaining?
As I said earlier, we have 151 townhouses, and so far we've been able to sell 65% of the townhouses,
Okay.
and only remaining with the
40%.
40%. Yeah.
And the apartments?
And the apartments, we had 5 blocks.
Okay.
5 blocks of apartments,
Okay.
each comprising of 12 units.
Okay.
And so far, we've been able to sell almost all the units,
Okay.
and only 5 units remaining.
Ah, that's nice. That's
Yes.
nice. That's nice. Now that you have only 5 units remaining of apartments, what happens to the clients that keeps streaming in?
Okay, that's a very good question. We've thought about that one,
Okay.
and we've already started the second phase of the project,
Okay.
which comprises of 52 units of apartment
Okay. Okay.
and a shopping mall. Yeah.
That's nice. Tell us about the sizes of the townhouses and the apartments.
Okay, the townhouses are seated on an eighth of an acre
Okay.
with a print area of 190 square meters.
Okay.
And the 2-bedroom apartment has a print area of 95 square meters.
Okay.
And the 3-bedroom apartment 118 square meters.
I hope you're enjoying the video, by the way. If you are, please smash the like button. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Let's head to the other rooms just for a view. Over here, you have the common toilet and the common bathroom. You also have the 3 bedrooms on this side. Let's start with the common bathroom and the common toilet. This is the bathroom area of this 3-bedroom apartment. And you have your sink over here just outside the toilet. Also, you have a separate bathroom and a toilet. So one person can be using the toilet while another person is having a bath. The toilet of this apartment is of a normal size. You have your closet over here, and then you have your tissue holder. The bathroom also is of a normal size. You have your soap holder over here, you have your towel holder over here, and then you have your shower up here. Let's head to the bedrooms. Tell us about the prices.
Riverine offers you very flexible payment plans.
Okay.
We have 3 of them. That is cash, mortgage, and rent to own.
Okay.
Yes.
Tell us more.
About the payment plans.
Yeah.
Okay, for the cash, for the buyers who decide to go for cash,
Okay.
you do a deposit of 20%. It's either on offer letter or before the offer letter.
Okay.
And the balance you clear within 90 days.
Okay.
And for the mortgage, you work with your bank and you do a deposit of 20%.
Okay.
Then the 80% is financed by your bank.
Okay.
And for the last option, that is TPS, tenancy purchase or rent to own option.
Okay.
It's a payment plan that can stretch up to 20 years. Initially, we were doing 10 years, but because of the corona difficulties and challenges, we've decided to extend the period to make it easier for our buyers. And they can do a minimum deposit of 10%.
Okay.
And the balance is spread it over the time period they decide to go with.
Okay.
Yes.
This is one of the bedrooms in this apartment, and it looks similar to another bedroom that I'll show you. From the size of it, I believe this was meant for the kids or for the guests. You also have your ceiling to floor closet over here with a small section over here that can be used to keep some of your clothes, and then you have this area set over here to keep your shoes. Okay, tell us more about the actual prices of each home.
Okay, for the townhouses,
Okay.
cash it's going for 15.9 million, mortgage 16.4,
Okay.
and rent to own 17 million.
Okay.
For the 3-bedroom apartment, cash is going for 7.9 million,
Okay.
mortgage say 8.2,
Okay.
and rent to own 8.5.
Okay.
And for the 2-bedroom apartment, cash is going for 7 million flat,
Okay.
7.3 mortgage,
Okay.
and 7.7 rent to own.
Ah, that's
Yeah.
nice. That's nice. So Doreen, if I were a client in this estate,
Yes.
I would go for the rent to own plan. This is
Why?
because first, the initial deposit is very little. I only have to deposit like 10%, and then I can pay rent for 20 years, and then after that I will have to own the property.
Yes, actually there are so many benefits that comes with the rent to own. You get to own a house with a very minimum deposit, as I said 10%, which is affordable to most of the Kenyans today.
Okay.
Yes.
So what happens if I had initially paid the 10% of the deposit, and along the way as I'm paying the rent, I get enough money to complete the balance?
Yeah, actually we accept that. So we, rent to own, it's a payment plan that attract interest of 12% per annum.
Okay.
Yeah. But if the client is able or in a position to pay faster than the set period,
Okay.
it will be on a reducing balance.
Ah,
Yeah.
that's nice.
So we don't like constrain you to pay for 10 years,
Okay.
but if you are capable for paying like 5 years, you can go for that.
Let's head to the other bedroom. This is the second bedroom, and it looks similar to the bedroom that you are just in. You have your bed over here, and then you have just a normal light up here, and then you have your closet over here. The only difference between that bedroom and this bedroom is that you have a bigger closet. Let's head to the master bedroom. Doreen,
Yes.
assuming I buy a property in this estate,
Yes.
what are the amenities that I will enjoy?
That's a very good question. We have so many amenities at Riverine.
Okay.
It features a nursery school, a swimming pool,
Okay.
play area for the kids in every court, a football pitch, and a basketball court,
Okay.
plus a shopping mall which is coming up. Actually, it's under construction, among other world-class amenities. To add on, we have a clubhouse which will have a gym, a restaurant, and a rooftop bar, and a few conference rooms. Yeah, for the members.
Okay. So if I want to have a meeting, it's not a must that I do it in my house.
Yes, it's not a must. You can still conduct your businesses within the compound.
But do I have to pay for the clubhouse?
That will be decided by the management.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow, this is a big master bedroom. You have your closet over here, and the closet is enough for you and your spouse. You can put your suits over here, you can put your shoes over there, and you can put anything else on this side of the closet. If you like watching the TV in the bedroom, you have this area here set aside for you to hang your TV. You can also use this small cabinet over here to put your jewelries or maybe something else that you like. You have your bed area over here. You also have this side drawers over here and over there that you can use to put your side lights. You also have a socket over here and over there to charge your gadgets. Let's head to the master bedroom bathroom. In this bathroom, you have your shower cubicle over here. And then you have your bathtub over here. You also have your closet over here and your sink over here. You have these spaces here to put your sanitizers or your hard wash. You have a mirror over here to enjoy your own view. So Doreen, I understand there is a big team working under Riverine.
Yes.
Would you kindly tell us the team that you have and what they do?
Yes, we have a very big team at Riverine.
Okay.
We have a property manager, which is under a different company that we've consulted.
Okay.
It has its team working with us. And we also have a team at the sales office, which I would like to introduce.
Okay.
Yes. Please come. As you can see, this is our Riverine team. We have the sales office, team members and security, but the rest of the team are not here in the offices. They're in the office, but they are well represented.
I'm Carol Mbide.
I'm Jeremiah Wenget.
I'm Shikanga Vincent.
I'm Francis.
Okay. For the sales team, they're in charge of the sales office. You can visit us every day. We are open every day from Monday to Sunday, from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the evening. We also open include the weekends and public holidays. So pay us a visit to our show house at the Riverine.
So Doreen, talk to your next client.
That's the most exciting part and question. We are keen to have you on board, and we look forward towards your response and which unit you've chosen. You can visit our show house at Riverine, which is open every day. We also have an office there. We are open every day from 8 a.m. till 4 p.m. in the evening. Pay us a visit. Don't wait. Buy your beautiful home today. And Riverine is the place to be. Karibuni.
That's all about this apartment. For more information about this apartment and the estate at large, I'll leave everything in the description below. If you want to view a tour of the 4-bedroom townhouses in this estate, I'll leave the link in the description below. For more information, feel free to contact us. Bye and see you on the next one.